Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. One of the questions I get asked all the time from people thinking of moving to Spain is this: can I actually live in Spain on 1,500 to 2,000 euros a month? And the short answer is, yes, you absolutely can. But like most things, it really depends on where you live, whether you rent or own, and the kind of lifestyle you want. So in this video I'm going to break down some realistic monthly costs here in the Murcia region of Spain, and show you exactly what your money might look like if you move here. First, let's talk about location. Spain is a big country, and the cost of living varies hugely. Living in somewhere like Madrid or Barcelona is going to be far more expensive than living in southern regions. Here in Murcia and the surrounding areas like Los Alcázares or San Javier, the cost of living is generally much lower than the big cities. That's one of the reasons so many retirees and lifestyle buyers choose this part of Spain. You still get great weather, beaches nearby, and a fantastic lifestyle, but at a fraction of the cost. Let's start with the biggest cost: housing. If you own your property outright, your monthly housing costs can actually be very low. Typical monthly expenses might include community fees. If you're in an apartment or urbanization, maybe 50 euros to 100 euros. Property tax averaged monthly, around 30 euros to 60 euros. Utilities like electricity, water and internet, roughly 120 euros to 180 euros depending on usage. So if you already own your property, you could realistically be spending around 200 euros to 300 euros a month on housing-related costs. If you're renting, it obviously changes things. In many parts of the Murcia region, you can still find long-term rentals from around 500 euros to 800 euros per month, depending on location and property type. Food in Spain is one of the big lifestyle advantages. Fresh fruit, vegetables, meat and fish are often cheaper than in Northern Europe. A couple shopping mainly at supermarkets like Mercadona or Lidl might spend somewhere around 250 euros to 350 euros a month on groceries. And eating out can still be very affordable. Menú del día lunches in many restaurants can cost around 12 euros to 15 euros, including several courses and a drink. So enjoying meals out regularly doesn't have to break the budget. Healthcare is another common concern for people thinking about moving to Spain. Spain actually has one of the best healthcare systems in Europe. Many residents use the public system run by the Spanish national health system once they are registered. Others choose private insurance, which is surprisingly affordable. Depending on your age, private health insurance can cost around 60 euros to 150 euros per month, per person. Then we have everyday lifestyle costs. Things like fuel for a car, mobile phone plans, streaming services, occasional trips or days out. You might budget somewhere around 200 euros to 400 euros a month, depending on how active your lifestyle is. Spain is very social, and people tend to spend a lot of time outdoors, walking, meeting friends for coffee, or enjoying the beach, which often costs very little. So let's put this together with a simple example. For a couple who own their home, a rough monthly budget could look like this. Housing and utilities, 250 euros groceries, 300 euros healthcare, 120 euros transport and lifestyle, 300 euros. That comes to roughly 970 euros per month. Even allowing extra spending for eating out, hobbies and travel, many couples comfortably live on 1,500 to 2,000 euros a month here in the Murcia region. Of course, if you're renting, your costs will be higher, but it can still be very achievable. So the big question again: can you live in Spain on 1,500 to 2,000 euros per month? For many people, especially here in the Murcia region, the answer is yes, and often with a very good quality of life. Sunshine, outdoor living, great food, and a slower pace of life are exactly why so many people make the move. If you're thinking about buying a property in this area, or you'd like advice about moving to Spain, feel free to get in touch. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow the channel, because we regularly share information about buying property and living here in sunny Spain. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.